Hello everyone and welcome back! Today I have an incredibly cool and honestly such an amazing video for you. Today I'm going to share my absolute number one favorite life hack of all time: how to quickly rebuild a missing corner or any other piece of the nail that is gone. With this specific method, you can even build out a little bit of extra length, maybe about a millimeter. It feels like absolute magic happening right here, so let's take a very close and detailed look at the process. I've already removed the old product from the surface. Naturally, I made sure to thoroughly clean the entire area where the lifting was located, just to ensure there won't be any air pockets or issues in the future. But notice that I'm not removing the material all the way to the end. Why am I doing this? Because I don't want this specific nail to look any different from the others. That is why I am leaving this thin strip of red color right near the cuticle. If I were to apply the new gel closer to the cuticle than the other nails have grown out, this finger would end up looking much longer than the rest of the set. So, just like I usually do, I'm applying the base coat only on the areas where it is missing, specifically to create a really strong and reliable bond with the surface. And now we have come to the most important part of the whole video. I am placing my own finger, and please make sure to wear a glove for this, directly underneath the client's free edge. I apply the gel right there into the gap and then quickly flash cure it with my small torch. This is just a crazy and brilliant life hack, honestly. I honestly have no idea why I haven't been doing this before. This entire past year has just gone by, and I still ask myself, why on earth didn't I know this? Why did nobody ever mention this to me? I am just in total shock about it. Now I'm adding just a tiny bit of gel on top. I don't really need to do any major leveling or build a complex structure here because I'm going to file everything later anyway. However, it is absolutely essential to let it cure in the lamp for a full minute right now. You must polymerize it for the complete 60 seconds to ensure the gel is fully cured, so I can then properly refine the shape with my file and make sure it perfectly matches the rest of the nail. We definitely don't need any unnecessary extra thickness in this particular area, so I'm going to go ahead and file the nail surface. I'm not using a buffer at all here, I'm strictly working with my hand file to get that perfect smoothness. First, I'm going to shape the free edge, and I always make sure to file the nail from underneath to remove any extra bulk and make the final shape look sharp and clean. It's very important to look closely and lift the lower parallels to achieve that perfect oval or almond shape. Finally, all that's left is to file the surface of the nail to make it completely smooth so that our gel polish goes on absolutely flawlessly. And basically that is it. The nail is now completely fixed. I will say it again, this is an absolutely super method and I am honestly just in love with it. Like they say, live and learn. Of course you do need to file the underside a little bit as well, that is a must. Obviously the gel might not sit perfectly flush against the finger right away, so there could be some tiny gaps, but these are honestly such minor details that are very easy to fix at this stage. I am very quickly cleaning out any excess material from the inside using just the tip of the bit. And there it is, our perfect nail is finally ready. I spent, I don't know, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes at most on this entire repair. We managed to do it very fast. In this video, I actually sped up the process a couple of times while we were curing in the lamp, and I cut out the boring part so you wouldn't have to sit here and wait. Now let's go ahead and cover the nail with our gel polish. I really love this particular gel polish because it covers the nail perfectly in just one single layer. I don't even need to apply two coats anymore. It is highly pigmented, it spreads beautifully, and it basically levels itself on the nail. So the whole process is very simple. I apply it, send it to the lamp to cure for 1 full minute, and after that, all that's left is to apply the final top coat. While we are waiting for that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me grow here on YouTube and motivates me to keep filming more for you. Subscribing ensures that you won't miss any of my upcoming life hacks and you will continue to develop and learn along with me. That's it, I'm now applying the top coat with just a little bit of extra leveling and sending it in for the final cure. The client was absolutely thrilled with the result. By the way, I always do these types of small repairs for my clients completely for free. For me, spending less than 10 minutes of my time is not a problem at all, but the client walks away feeling happy with perfect hands. Everyone is satisfied. I always do a final quick filing just to make the shape look razor sharp after the top coat is fully cured. This small step is my secret to a truly professional and clean finish every single time. Now, I'm really curious, do you charge your clients extra for these little 5-minute repairs or do you do them for free like I do? Please share your experience in the comments below so we can all learn from each other. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nail hacks, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye bye!